My name is Megan Stahl and I'm in grade 11. Working with the script is definitely very different than any theater I personally have ever done because we're not really focusing on the script per se, we're more focusing on the different sounds, movements that you envision going with the script.
My name is Caitlin. I'm 24 years old. I play Treves.
He was thus denied all means of escape from his tormentors.
It's a very dark tone to the script. It explores a lot of torment and social anxiety and not fitting in, feeling lonely. But I think it's a very relatable plot line.
My name's Alyssa. I love working with the cast. They're so welcoming, even from the first time I came in. We all learned each other's names really soon and really quickly, and it's really nice getting to know them more so, as actors and as people. I think it's definitely a different kind of style of script, and it's really emotional and it's really intense. But it's great because as an actor, I've never really had to reach that deep into myself before to pull out things that I need for my character.
The Elephant Man represents all of us. We are all unique, we're all different, we all have something to bring to this world. And while we all struggle to fit in and feel like we need to be similar to everyone, and being different has its gifts also. And that's what the Elephant Man shows us.
I think it's definitely something that the audience is going to really enjoy, so you should definitely come out. It'll touch something inside of you, I think. So.